Welcome back everyone. I will do my withdrawal number 8 from this light and stable platform ERUSDT or ERETRX. If you want to register in this platform, put your username here and your email here and put your password here and click sign up. If you have account in this platform, directly click login. After you click login, put your username and the password and click login, voting me. Like we see everyone, this is my account in this platform and my active deposit 5000 TRX and my team deposit 100 TRX. My deposit team 1000 TRX. I earn 100 TRX in commission team. My VIP is VIP 2 and my number team this. If you want to message customer server from here, and if you want to join the group, the platform from here. I'll explain about VIP. If you want to know about VIP, click this. After you click this, like we see, minimum deposit 50 TRX and minimum withdraw 1 TRX. If you deposit from 50 TRX to this number, will daily withdraw 2%. And if you deposit from this number to this number, will daily withdraw 4%. And all this VIP. There are VIP 6 with daily 8% everyone. It is safety platform. Like we see, commission team level 1, level 2, level 3. Level 1 10%, level 2 5%, level 3 2%. I will go and explain how to deposit. Click this. When you want to deposit in this platform, copy this address and go to any wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance Wallet and send the money to this address. After you send the money to this address, put your username here and the amount and your address wallet there, TRC20. After that, click submit. The money will arrive to your account in 10 minutes everyone. If you want to withdraw from this platform, from here. And if you want to invite your friends, from here. Like we see, when you want to invite your friends, copy this link and go and invite your friends to earn commission team. Like we see, I have this number in my first team level and this and this. I will go to withdraw now. When you want to withdraw, like we see, you can choose basic or commission from here. Like we see, my daily it is 200 TRX if you want. You can withdraw from commission team unlimited everyone, anytime you want. But in basic account, you should withdraw every 24 hours everyone. When you want to withdraw, put your username here and the amount you will withdraw it and your address wallet there and click submit, voting me. Like we see everyone, after I put my username and the amount I will withdraw it and my address wallet TRC20 there, I will click submit now. Like we see, the withdrawal successful and click on done. Like we see everyone, this is my withdraw number 9 from this platform, number 8 from this platform. Like we see, all this withdraw every day. And this is my deposit everyone, 5000 TRX. The withdrawal arrived to my wallet. I will go to my wallet and show you. See everyone, see the time and the amount and the time here. In 1 second will arrive to your wallet after we write withdraw. Don't forget, subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms for investment like ERETRX, and you will see link register with all details in the description of the video everyone. And you can contact me to any question and to learn you about the platform and give you help to learn how to earn money with me everyone. Good luck everyone.